Alright guys, this is my first video ever. I'm gonna do a review on the Vastar, the toolkit. Here it is. There's some more tools right there. There's some bits that I just tried. It's the back, the tools. I'm not sure the name of all these tools, but these are for the inside of these rings right here. So I'm trying to change the battery on this one, but the back is too big, so I can't change it. It's a diesel. They don't go on water. It has 4 watches, as you can see. But so I tried different bits. I tried, these are the bits. So I was able to take off the back on this one, but this one doesn't need fixed. It only needs, actually nothing. But this one is dead. So it needs the battery changed. But what I noticed was that the battery is not the same. So I got these batteries for the fossil. I gave it to a friend, but these are not the right batteries. So if you can see on this one, sorry, a small battery. You see it? So diesel, 10 bar. This is my first video. I'm gonna make more videos. We're gonna go metal detecting, we're gonna go fishing, we're gonna go camping, we're gonna go hunting, we're gonna do some mechanics. Yeah. Okay, use this, all the parts. I paid around like $20 to $30, but it's not big enough for this one right here. It's 4 clocks, 3 bar diesel. I have to change the date. I usually do like Canada. I can't remember exactly, but I usually do like Florida, Chicago, California, and then Oklahoma. And these are the beats. I also speak Spanish if you have any questions. Hablo español. And these bits are different sizes. I tried 2, and there's more, but this watch is not the size of the tool. So you have the tool right here, and then you adjust it. I already put it to the max, so it was like right there, down. But it's not the right size. So these are all the tools. These are the instructions. Where's it at? There you go. So I'm gonna put in descriptions as time, the brand of the watch, and then this watch. I use these tools on a fossil, but like, doesn't work. And then the battery's too small. Got the wrong battery. See, I've already changed it before. But I gave it to a friend, so yeah. It comes with a case, tools, more tools, and this is the brand. Yeah. These are the bits. Not used to this camera. All right. So yeah, it works good. It's just not the right size. Long batteries, so I'm gonna have to take it to a jeweler and get it opened and get the right battery, and probably he's gonna replace the battery because I don't have the right size of battery. But it's a cool kit. I'm gonna put everything in the descriptions, like the kit, the 2 watches. I already used it before on a Fossil. It was a smaller watch. Came with a business card. And then all these bits go in there. I haven't touched these. What else? So you use this to push the pins out. Yeah, pretty much. This is a little plier, more screws, wipes. So yeah. Still not used to this camera.